Welcome back guys. Welcome to SSC coaching here. Look at the next sum here. Here, two trains running in opposite direction. Okay, cross a man standing in a platform in 27 seconds and 17 seconds respectively, and they cross each other in 23 seconds. And the ratio of this speed is what? So, look at the question carefully, it might be a little bit confusing. We are having two trains. So, train 1, train 2. Okay. These two trains cross a man standing on a platform. So, here we are having a platform here. In this, hold on. So, two trains running in opposite direction cross a man standing in a platform in 27 seconds. So, train 1 crosses this man in 27 seconds and train 2 crosses the man in 17 seconds, okay, respectively, and these two trains cross each other. First they are crossing the man in a platform. Now, these two trains cross each other. Let me draw it here. Now, these two trains cross each other in 23 seconds. Okay. What is the ratio of their speeds? Okay. They have not given the length of train, the speed of train. Okay. They have given only the time taken to cross. Okay. We have to find the ratio of speeds. So, first take this part into consideration. Train 1 is crossing a man standing. So, man standing means he is a fixed, stationary. So, which means stationary point. Okay. So, time is length of train divided by speed. So, it crosses a man standing in 27 seconds. Length of train unknown. Speed of train unknown. Let me take as S1. Okay. Now, second train. This is first train. Now, second train crosses the man in 17 seconds. So, 17 time is equal to 17 divided by length of train 2 divided by speed of train 2. Both are unknown here. Okay. Now, what happened next point? Now, these two trains cross each other. Okay. Two trains crossing each other means it is moving length. What formula do we use there for moving and length? Okay, let me write here. So, formula is time is equal to length of train 1 plus length of train 2 divided by relative speed. They are moving in same direction. So, it is S1 plus S2. So, they cross each other in 23 seconds. So, 23 is equal to what is length of train 1? So, okay, here we are having the same two unknown variables, length and speed. What they are asking? They are asking about speed. So, we can just equate length. Okay. So, from this I can tell length of train 1 is equal to 27 S1 now. In place of length, substitute this value 27 S1. Okay. What about length of train 2? 17 S2. Okay. Just substitute here. So, length of train 1 is 27 S1. 27 S1. Is that clear? Length of train 2, which is 17 S2 divided by S1 plus S2. Okay. So, what we can do here? Just multiply this value here. You would be getting 23 S1 plus, okay, 23 S1 plus 23 into S2 is equal to 27 S1 plus 17 S2. Okay. Now what we can do here? 23 S1 minus 27 S1 minus 23 S1 now. Okay. So let me write 27 S1 minus 23 S1 is equal to 23 S2 here. When this value coming here will come in terms of negative, minus 17 S2. Okay. 27 minus 23 we are getting 4 S1 is equal to 23 minus 17 is 6 S2. So here S1 by S2 is equal to 6 by 4. When you divide, you will be getting 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 means it's nothing but 3:2. 3 by 2 means 3:2. Is it clear? So your answer is 3:2. Okay. What I have said here is, it is like they have just mentioned this platform name just to confuse you. Okay. So what I am telling here is, a man is standing in a platform. A man standing in a platform. Okay. The train, to cross the man, it takes 27 seconds. Not to cross the platform. Okay. Train 1, to cross this man, it takes 27 seconds. Train 2, to cross this man, it takes 17 seconds. Okay. And these two trains, to cross each other, it takes 23 seconds. Okay. These two are coming under stationary point, and this part coming under moving length. So look at the formula for stationary point here, and this is for moving length. And then just substitute the values. You will be getting ratios of speed 1 and speed 2, two trains. So just have a look at it. 3 by 2 means 3:2. The next question is, a moving train crosses a man on a platform. The same like previous one. It is like it is crossing a man, not a platform. Crossing a man on a platform. Okay. And the bridge length is 300 meter long in 10 seconds and 25 seconds respectively. What will be the time taken by the train to cross a platform 200 meter long? So this is a train here. This train crosses a man standing in a platform. Okay. And it crosses a bridge. Okay. Bridge is 300 meter. Bridge is 300 meter. Okay. It crosses a man in 10 seconds. The same train with same speed and same length. Okay. Crosses a man in 10 seconds and crosses a bridge in 25 seconds. So in how many seconds it will cross the platform of length 200 meter? First take these two. Train crossing a man standing, which means stationary point. Okay. It is like time is equal to length of train by speed of train. So after crossing a man, it crosses a bridge here. So bridge, which means stationary length. So time is equal to length of train plus length of bridge divided by speed of train. So here every one are fixed here. Only train would be having the speed, which means we no need to find relative speed. So now in how many seconds it will cross a platform? So platform, it also comes under stationary length. So length of train plus length of platform divided by speed of train. Okay. First thing is, it crosses a man in 10 seconds, sir. So 10 is equal to length of train by speed of train unknown, length also unknown here. So here in 25 seconds it crosses a bridge, length of train unknown, length of bridge is 300 divided by speed is unknown here, or I can tell 25s is equal to length of train plus 300. Now coming here, in how many seconds it will cross the platform of length 200. So length of train plus length of platform is 200 meter divided by speed of train. Okay. So what we can do here? So length of train is, from this I can tell, which is 10 years. Okay. Just substitute here. Length of train is 10 years. Just substitute in the second one. So we will be having 25 years is equal to 10 years plus 300. Okay. So 25 years minus 10 years, you will be having 15 years is equal to 300. So 15 ones are 15 20 times. So speed of train is 20 meter per second. Speed of train is 20 meter per second. Okay. Now, okay, with this we can find the speed of train now. Length of train we can find. Length of train is 10 into s. 10 into s. What is s here? Speed is 20. So just substitute here. 10 into 20. So length of train is 200 meter. Okay. We have found length of train as well as speed of train. Just substitute here. You will be getting the time taken. Length of train is 200 meter plus 200 divided by speed of train is 20. So it is 400 divided by 20. So you will be getting 20 seconds. So in 20 seconds the train crosses the platform. Okay. So your answer is 20 seconds. The next sum is, look at here, a train leaves a station at 7 a.m. So this is station A and this is station B. Okay. Train leaves the station A at 7 a.m. So let me take this as train P. Okay. Train P leaves station A at 7 a.m. and reaches station B at 11 a.m. Okay. And reaches B at 11 a.m. Now another train, let me call that as Q. That train leaves B at 8 a.m. leaves station B at 8 a.m. and reaches A at 11:30 a.m. and reaches A at 11:30 a.m. The question asked here is, (11:30 a.m.). Okay. So the question asked here is, the two trains cross each other at what time? So this is like two trains are moving like this. So definitely at one point of time they will cross each other. So at what time do they cross each other? So in this question they have not given the speed of train and not given the distance between the two stations and not given the time also. So we have to find each and everything. So the main concept you will hear this, look at here, the distance between A and B is constant for two trains. So when distance is constant, so this concept we saw in time and distance. So when distance is constant, speed is inversely proportional to time. Okay. Keep that in mind. when distance is constant, speed is inversely proportional to time. So look at here, two stations A and B. P starts at 7 a.m. and reaches at 11 a.m. So how many hours it has taken? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It has taken 4 hours to reach B. What about Q? Starts at 8 a.m. and reaches here at 11:30 a.m. So it has taken 3.5 hours. Okay. So we are having two trains P and Q. Okay. The time ratio is 4 hours here it takes, and Q it takes 3.5 hours. Okay. So what I said, the distance being same, when the distance is same, speed inversely proportional to time taken. So time is 4:3 1/2. What about speed? It would be, speed would be 3 1/2:4, inversely proportional. Okay. Now convert this into mixed fraction. You will be getting 7/2. So 7/2:4, or I can take the speed as 8:4, and the time ratio is 4:3 1/2, and speed ratio is 8:4. Okay. So let us assume, what is distance? Distance is equal to speed into time. What is speed here? 8, time 4. When you multiply, you will be getting, sorry, hold on a second, just made a small mistake here. So you will be getting, this 2 goes here. So speed is 7:8. Speed is 7:8. So speed 7:8, time 4:3 1/2, or 7/2. So what is distance here? Distance is equal to speed into time. Just multiply here, speed into time. 4 into 7, you will be getting 28, or just multiply 3.5 into 8, you will be getting same 28. So distance here is 28. Let us assume, we are going to assume the distance as 28 kilometer. Okay. What is the speed ratio for P and Q? Speed ratio is 7:8. Just keep that in mind. 7:8. Okay. And time ratio, we had 4:3 1/2. Okay. So the time difference between them is 28 kilometer. So here P moving here at a speed of 7 kilometer per hour, the speed ratio, and Q moving here at a speed of 8 kilometer per hour. Okay. So P starts at 7 a.m. and Q starts at 8 a.m. So look at here, P starts at 7 a.m. Q starts at 8 a.m. So what I said earlier, to find meeting time, starting time should be same. To find meeting time, your starting time should be same. So what can we do here? To find meeting time, the starting time should be same. So here P starts at 7 a.m. Q starts at 8 a.m. So at 8 a.m. where P would be? You check here. So 7 a.m. at 8 a.m. Look at here. So in 1 hour, so P is moving at a speed of 7 kilometer per hour, which means for 1 hour it travels 7 kilometer. So here it has traveled 7 kilometer. Okay. So now what is the remaining distance between P and Q? So total distance it was 48 as per we assumed. Okay. Now the remaining distance is 28 minus 27, 21 kilometer. Okay. So the time is equal to distance between them. Distance between them. Why? Because at 8 a.m. P is here. At 8 a.m. Q is here. P moving at 7 km per hour based on the speed ratio. Q moving at 8 km per hour. So distance divided by relative speed. Distance is what? 21 divided by relative speed. 8 plus 7, you will be getting 15. Okay. So upon dividing, you will be getting 3 7s are 3 5s are. Okay. Divide this one, 7 by 5, you will be getting 2. So you will be getting 1 2 by 5 hours, which means after 1 2 by 5 hours they would be meeting. So convert 2 by 5 into minutes. So how will you convert? We had, okay, just multiply by 60 here. 1 2 by 5. So this one convert into minutes. So multiply by 60. So we will be getting 5 ones are 5 12s are, which means in 1 hour 24 minutes they will meet. Okay. So after 1 hour 24 minutes they will meet. So when the train started, second train starts at 8 a.m. So 8 a.m. plus 1 hour 24 minutes. So it is at sharply at 9:24 a.m. the two trains meet each other. Okay. Train 2 starts at 8 a.m. So after 1 hour 24 minutes they meet at 9:24 a.m. The next problem, look at here. A person standing on a railway platform. Okay. A person standing on a, so look at here, a person standing here on a railway platform. He noticed a train took 21 seconds to completely pass through the platform. So here a train is moving. Okay. This guy is noticing. What he is noticing? This train overtook the platform in 21 seconds. Okay. Completely passed through the platform. Okay. So which was 84 meter long. So this platform length is 84 meter long. So to cross the platform it took 21 seconds. Okay. And it took 9 seconds in passing him. Okay. So in passing this person it has taken 9 seconds. Okay. And to cross the platform it has taken 21 seconds. This was noticed by a man, a person. Okay. So we are having two set of formulas. One is train passing a standing man. So it is stationary point. Another one, train crossing a platform, stationary length. Okay. So stationary point is this time is equal to distance by speed. What is distance by speed? Distance here is length of train divided by speed of train. For platform, stationary length. So time is equal to length of train plus length of platform divided by speed of train. Okay. So what they are asking here, what is the speed of the train? Okay. So look at here. To cross a man it has taken 9 seconds. Okay. So time is 9 seconds is equal to length of train divided by speed. So here they have not given the speed as well as the length. Okay. Now to cross a platform it has taken 21 seconds. So 21 is equal to length of train plus length of platform is 84 meter divided by speed of train, that is not given. It is like the same concept. We are having two unknown variables. What they are asking? They are asking speed of a train. So substitute length of train value there. So length of train is, I can tell as 9 9s. Okay. So, substitute this length of train here. So, 21 is equal to 9s. Length of train is 9 times s plus 84 divided by s. So, 21 into s you will be getting 21s is equal to 9s plus 84. So, 21 minus 9 you will be getting 12. So, 12s is equal to 84. 12 ones are 12 sevens are. So, speed is 7 meter per second. Okay. So, your answer is 7 meter per second, but what happened? They have asked in terms of kilometer per hour. So, convert 7 meter per second to kilometer per hour. How can we convert? So, multiply by 18 by 5. 7 into 18 divided by 5. When you multiply, you will be getting 126 by 5. So, when you divide 25 times 125, and then you will be getting 25.2 kilometer per hour. So, look at here, 5 ones are 25 times you will be getting 125. So, check the options which are near to 25, 25.2. So, your answer is 25.2 kilometer per hour. Okay. So, that is it for problem on trains. So, what we had? We had the total 4 formulas. Okay, let me tell here. For problem on trains, we had these 4 formulas. Okay, this is stationary, point, length, moving. So, what we saw for stationary and point? It is like time equal to length of train by speed of train. Example, pole, signal, a man standing. Okay. Stationary length, example we had platform, bridge, tunnel, etc. So, the time taken there is length of train plus length of platform divided by speed of train. Okay. Here moving point. So, here man moving, a bike moving. Okay. So, that time is equal to length of train divided by relative speed. Why? Because the two persons are moving, a train is moving and then a man is moving. Okay. So, here moving point, which means the object has length, moving length, object has length and is moving. Example I can tell is one more train. Okay. So, there the time is equal to length of train plus length of platform divided by relative speed. So, using these 4 formulas, we can solve any kind of questions on problem on trains, and we have to know the relative speed concept, and that is speed inversely proportional to time concept. Okay. So, based on these 3 concepts, we can solve any problems based on problem on trains. That is it. Thank you guys.